Ubasan bor sulai rangkat ke jingdan lang ki he jeng ketenat PWD bagi nong elam nek sinong baper ulabu mau nong rem macna ke surok na ke surok PWD leng ba Relbong Community Hall sya ke surok PWD Sherpi ak jenglut ke balong sauklor live sanlak san pun hajar tengka ka surok na ke junction jong ke surok PWD leng ba ke klau mensan ha ke jenglut ke balong siklor live pupralak nyopo hajar tengka kanala ha ke jenglut basan pusan lak ark kondai hajar tengka Kisrok kaki benta jong kasau ta Shillong ha kejenglut ba shiklor khat saulak sapoi hajar tengka. Kasurok ha lum jeng thang ka bakot shiklor nyopu nyolak prapulai hajar tengka. Kakenro ha ka Sanbor Sulai Road kakenro bat jengker sainar ha Sulai Road bat kanala ha Muslim Graveyard bat bensiang rong ya kasurok halum paring ha kejenglut ba prapu arlak prapui hajar tengka. Banchna ya ke Aqueduct Channel ha Kenches Trace na Bishnupur sya Bethesda Hospital apa Kenches Trace ha kejenglut ba arklor sapoi lak sanpo hajar nerus pa tengka kasurok na kerdop jong ka Arts and Culture Relbong hado Relbong Community Hall sya kasurok Sherpi ha Relbong ha kejenglut ba shiklor kendai pu pralak laipo hajar news pa tengka bat kasurok ha kejenglut ke bakot khat saulak khat prahajar ars pa tengka Ubasan bor sulai ulong ru bakumu MLA wiale kat bala banwan ra ki kampen roy ha ka constituency ndai on amla ban pen urlong klam kejing trilang jokinong elam snong bat kinong song snong ulai ku blai giru shimet keblano senyang gijaka na kebenta ban la ban pen urlong ya ki project baper badu ulong ru bagi pat ba yam dai ban benut ban no senyang ya la kejaka jongki na kebenta ban pediang ya ki kampen roy bat kem dai ru ban benut ban ai namar onda ki yap no ken hab ban pai thli bala ki diki kristan ru kinyo ekajaka ke bantep bala ki dai ki berang bat ikan yam tenrai ru kum keseng khasi ne senraj kinyo ekajaka ban bo yud pei bat chieng
after winning the election 2013, I have taken up with the state government with permission and OC from the PHE department, where we have given an independent line only for cantonment area. And now cantonment area people, they don't need to wake up 3 a.m. in the midnight and fetch the water. The water is sufficient in cantonment area, as well as within Greater Laban area. There are also many schemes like children's park we have done, playground in Dobitala, Jalupara, we have football field, we have volleyball field, badminton field, we have children's park. Before, it was a dance of anti-social elements. The Dorbar Shillong, and very, very, very thankful to the ground force of the Public Works Department, the PWD, who are the backbones to go to the site in collaboration with the Dorbar Shillong, Sangathai, Sangsamwa, to prepare the DPR, details product report, plan estimate, and after that they forwarded to the government. Once it reaches the table of the government, it's my duty bound to take up these issues to get them sanctioned, right from the planning department, the finance department, up to the table of the minister of PWD and even to the chief minister. Ongoing scheme of additional water supply scheme, which we have got the sanction from the Amrut scheme, Atal Bihari Vajpayee mission scheme. This is going on, which will pave way to the PHE and the municipal to commission the additional supply of water all over the Greater Laban area. Lumparing, Manalaban, Lumsopo, Lumdarbar, Kanjatpur, Laban, Jumarlin, Lower Laban, Red Cross. It is within 1 month, I think, this scheme will be fully completed and additional water supply will be given to each and every locality within Greater Laban area, except cantonment area we are having sufficient water supply.